there's different ways. There's different, you can either get it in the back end or you can get it in the front end, because you can get like if it's a flip, yeah, I would definitely take a percentage. If it's a rental, they're probably not going to want you to give you a percentage, but you could get paid monthly off the rents for so long, you know? So think about, I mean, if I have a property that I'm putting no money down and I'm making 500, let's say 400 people, you didn't put any money down. So if you don't do it, you're not getting any of it. So why not you get a percentage of it?